Hello, hello, kitty. Roll mo yung tip ko. Hello, hello, kitty. Show mo yung tit mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Hawakan mo dik ko. Hello, hello, kitty. Palambutin mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Baba mo yung bra mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Taas mo panty mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Hello, hello. Oh, oh. Yeah, mga mamasita nakabuka ang palda, dancing like a queen. Mga dogs don't see, smoking tree. Tropa kong nakaputi, Pinocchio racer kanyang long nose. Kahit isang mata niya ay dead, you gotta get a burger to be alive. Mata niya ay red, girl ambition, pero nakatingala pa rin yun kanyang ambition. Nakakita ng liwanag sa dilim, para bang tunnel vision. Ako ay napawaw, sige lang, tuloy mo lang yo. Mga praning hindi nakakakita, parang sa'king dik. Tropa ko ay natawa ng konti habang naka-face mask on. Bawal makita ng palihim kasi may case iyon. Nakikipag-boxing yon, lagay niya tagilid, hawak sa crush niya, medyo kinilig. Yun nawala sa focus, ituro mo na lang kung sino ba yon. Yeah, oh, oh, yeah. Sabay kagat sa labi, mamaya baka magkaroon ng bumi. Head and shoulder kanyang inabsorb, mata niya ay naging cool. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, mentol, yeah, pangarap malaki, customizer car pare. Kung down ka, ibuga mo na lang sa ere. Ito ay timbre, pero hindi din to libre. Hasain mo iyong paningin, ito ang iyong tekstura. Bawat angle dapat may level. Yee! Ha 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 ha. Hello, hello, kitty. Roll mo yung tip ko. Hello, hello, kitty. Show mo yung tit mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Hawakan mo dik ko. Hello, hello, kitty. Palambutin mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Baba mo yung bra mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Taas mo panty mo. Hello, hello, kitty. Hello, 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 hello.
The only thing that makes you truly you are a mental creature. The only thing are a mental creature. The only thing that makes you truly unique is your mind. Everything else you have in common with a horse or a pig. Your mind is what makes you unique. Your body simply carries your mind around. And just as electricity works on laws of electricity, and physics works on laws of physics, and nature works on laws of nature, there are certain mental laws that determine everything that happens to you.
The only thing about a man that is a